Alright, buckle up folks, because we're diving into the land of the giants. What we've got here is a straight up beast of a dump truck. I mean seriously, look at the size of that thing. We're talking industrial grade muscle here. First off, you see that excavator in action. Smooth operator, loading that bad boy up like it's just another day at the office. That scoop is massive, and it's just chucking tons of material into the back of this WTW like it's nothing. Efficiency at its finest. People. And the truck itself, man, it's a marvel of engineering. Those tires are probably taller than your car. It's got more wheels than I have fingers and toes, just to handle the sheer weight of the load. You can see it's built tough for hardcore mining work, no doubt. Then, bam, it's off to the dumping grounds. Watch that thing move, fully loaded, like it's still just cruising. And when it's time to unload, tilt that bed up and whoosh, everything just slides right out. Simple, effective, and on a scale that's just mind-blowing. Honestly, watching these machines work is like seeing a well-oiled dance of heavy metal. It's loud, it's dirty, but it's also seriously impressive. This is what it takes to get the job done in big mining operations. So next time you're filling up your car, remember these giants, because they're the ones getting the raw materials out of the ground. Pretty cool, huh? First up, that REXX hauler. Seriously, what a beast of a machine. It's not just big, it's engineered big for a specific job. In pit haulage, you see it grinding up those slopes, fully loaded with rock, and you can just feel the power. That engine's not some puny thing. We're talking a high horsepower diesel, designed to churn out torque all day long. And those tires, forget your car tires. These are like rolling fortresses, built to grip loose rock, shrug off punctures, and carry insane weight. It's all about getting that blasted rock out of the pit efficiently. And the REXX is king of that hill. Then we shift gears to the road trains. These are a different kind of monster. Long-distance haulers. Mining operations are often way out in the boonies, miles from anywhere. Road trains are the answer for that. Think of them as mobile conveyor belts, only they're roaring down dusty tracks across the outback. One tough prime mover truck, and then a whole train of trailers hitched up behind, each one swallowing tons of ore. And you see those massive loaders in action. They're not gentle. Scoop after scoop of rock just gets dumped right in, filling those trailers in no time. The real story here isn't just the machines themselves, it's the whole mining context. These aren't just trucks driving around a quarry. We're talking about massive, complex operations to extract resources from deep within the earth. The environment is brutal, dust choking everything, scorching heat, rocks flying, constant heavy loads. That's why this machinery is built like tanks. Reliability is king, maintenance is crucial, and safety is paramount. You get a glimpse inside the cabs in the video. It's not just a steering wheel and pedals. It's a whole command center, monitoring systems, engine management. all to keep things running smoothly and safely. From the in-pit grunt of the REXX to the long-haul stamina of the road trains, this video shows you to vital pieces of the mining puzzle. Different jobs, different machines, but both essential for getting those raw materials where they need to go. If you're like me and appreciate the sheer scale and power of industrial gear, this video is a proper treat. It's a reminder of the incredible engineering and hard graft that goes into getting the stuff we use every day out of the ground. And these trucks, they're right there in the thick of it, doing the heavy lifting day in, day out. Proper machines for a proper, tough job. Happy now? We got a Liebherr 9400 excavator, a real behemoth, scooping up dirt like it's nothing and dumping it into this massive dump truck. This ain't your backyard digger, folks. This is the big leagues. They're moving mountains of earth here, and these machines are just eating it up. It's like a giant dirt buffet, and they're hungry. What a sight. We're talking a serious BelAZ dump truck here, a true heavy hitter. Check out those tires, bigger than cars, and listen to that engine roar as it gets ready to dump a mountain of rocks. Seriously, that's a hillside in the back. Smooth hydraulics lift the bed, then bam, rocks avalanche out. You can almost feel the ground shake. This is raw power in mining. These giants haul tons of material daily, workhorses of earth moving. It's amazing engineering to build these behemoths. Tires are critical for weight and rough terrain. That engine's a massive diesel, pushing huge horsepower. Hydraulics are smooth and powerful, and when it unloads, a cascade of material. Heavy-duty work indeed. These are unsung heroes in harsh mining environments, running 24/7s. Reliability is key. Suspension, brakes, everything over-engineered. It's brute force meets precision, moving mountains. Impressive piece of kit, makes you appreciate machinery power. We've got a massive rope shovel excavator here in what looks like a dusty mine setting. It's scooping up tons and tons of mucky stuff, rocks, dirt, whatever it is, and just dumping it into that huge dump truck like it's no sweat. The way those cables work is pretty cool, huh? Each bucket load is enormous, filling that truck up quick. Just another day at the mine, watching this cable-operated beast do its thing. Impressive machinery, fantastic to watch. We've got a massive Hitachi excavator, looking all beastly in its orange and gray getup, scooping up a mountain of dark material, probably coal or some kinda ore, right? And it's loading it right into the bed of this gigantic yellow Cat 793F dump truck. Look at the size of those tires. They're bigger than my car. This is serious mining business, folks. Snow's falling, but these machines are working hard. No time for a snow day in this pit. It's all about digging, loading, and hauling, the bread and butter of any big mine. Power and efficiency right there on display. Nice and simple, but man, is it impressive to watch these giants in action. Maximum tension. The colossal dump truck lies tilted precariously on the hillside, seemingly helpless. But fortunately, the professional rescue team has arrived, led by the mighty front-end loader. Every movement is meticulously calculated. Every operation demonstrates expertise. Without haste, without any carelessness, they gently control the machinery giant, gradually bringing the dump truck back to a safe position. A breathtaking moment as the truck rolls back onto its wheels, dust billowing. And then a collective sigh of relief breaks out. A spectacular rescue, proving the courage and incredible skill of these heavy machinery operators. What we've got here is a classic setup in the heavy machinery world. We're looking at a monster excavator. Looks like a Caddy X26, just chilling on top of a muck pile. This thing's ready to dig, right? And just watch that excavator now. It's like a well-oiled machine. Scoop, swing, dump. It's loading up that Cat 793F dump truck with a massive bucketful of material. Look at the dust fly. That's some serious earth-moving power right there. You can tell these operators know their stuff. Nice and smooth movements. CAT793F82 is getting filled up good and proper. Once that bucket is empty, that truck is going to be heavy, and there she goes. Cat 793F, fully loaded, pulling away to do its job. And wouldn't you know it, another one's coming right behind. This is how you run a tight ship in a quarry or mine, efficient and powerful. Awesome stuff, right? big mining dump truck, proper stuck in soft ground at the mine. Another haul truck comes in to pull it out. Gotta love seeing these giants work together. They hook up with a beefy tow bar, and you can hear that rescue truck strain as it starts pulling. Engines roaring, a bit of smoke. It's putting in some serious effort. Slowly, you can see the stuck truck start to move, inching its way out of the muck. Finally, with a bit of a grunt, it's free, teamwork and raw power to the rescue. Just another day handling massive machines in the mine. Good job all around. We're looking at the transport of a Liebherr mining dump truck, specifically a model likely in the T to 180 to C class given its size. The video showcases the heavy haulage operation, utilizing a Drake trailer platform designed for oversized and overweight loads. Notice the meticulous securing process and the oversized signage, indicating the logistical planning required for such movements. The destination is clearly a mining operation, where these trucks are essential for bulk material handling. The sheer scale of the Liebherr and the tires is noteworthy, highlighting the engineering challenges and operational demands in modern mining. In short, it's a demonstration of specialized heavy machinery transport and deployment in a mining context. What we're seeing here is the birth of a behemoth, a proper mining monster from Liebherr. This ain't your average pickup truck, folks. We're talking about a T to 180 to C, one of the kings of the haul truck world. First off, sparks are flying like it's the 4th of July. We've got plasma torches slicing through thick steel like butter. These guys are crafting the bones of this beast, cutting out the massive plates that'll form the dump body and chassis. Check out that kinetic cutting machine. It's like a giant robot artist, precisely shaping steel for days. Then comes the muscle work, bending these colossal steel plates. That's some serious metal origami right there. And the welding, oh boy, the welding. It's like watching a metal rainbow being forged. These welders are laying down beads thicker than my thumb, making sure this thing can handle a mountain of rock without breaking a sweat. We get a peek at some serious machining action too. Lathes and grinders are spinning up a storm, making sure all those crucial parts are perfectly precise. No room for error when you're dealing with machinery this size. And the assembly. Forget about IKEA instructions. This is a colossal jigsaw puzzle. Giant components being lifted and maneuvered into place with cranes bigger than my house. It's like watching a mechanical ballet, but with tons of steel instead of tutus. They even show us the logistics nightmare of getting this thing to the mine. Shipping parts on freighters and trucking massive sections down the highway. You bet that needs some serious planning. Finally, bam, we see it all come together on site. Wheels bigger than a small car get bolted on, and this mountain mover is ready to rumble. We even see it in action, swallowing up tons of earth like it's nothing. Bottom line, this video is a testament to human ingenuity and raw industrial power. It's a reminder that behind every massive machine doing backbreaking work, there's a whole lot of skill, sweat, and good old-fashioned metal bashing going on. Seriously impressive feat of engineering. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta go change the oil on my lawnmower. Feels a bit inadequate after watching that. This video is all about these massive Komatsu 930E dump trucks and their journey. We start off seeing these yellow giants chilling at the docks, getting prepped for their next adventure. Guys are checking them over, making sure they're ready to roll, even giving them a wash down. Then comes the impressive part, watching a massive crane carefully load these behemoths onto a cargo ship. It's like fitting elephants into a suitcase, but way more impressive to watch. Smooth sailing later, and they're back on terra firma, getting unloaded just as carefully. But the journey's not over. Nope. Time for a road trip. They get strapped onto massive flatbeds, looking like they're riding in style, and off they go. Escorted like VIPs. It's an epic journey, seeing these mining trucks rolling through regular roads, highways, even some Aussie outback, red dirt and all, from city streets to wide open spaces. These trucks are seeing it all. Finally, the grand finale. They arrive at the mine. This is where they belong. Ready to get down and dirty. You see them dwarfing everything around them, ready to haul tons of rock and earth. It's a real sight to behold watching these machines in action, doing what they were built for, from ship to mine. It's a testament to the incredible logistics and sheer scale of these mining operations. Cheers to these big yellow beasts. Alright, let's check out this video. It's all about big yellow cat dump trucks doing their thing at a mine. We see these monsters backing up and dumping loads of rock, looks like ore, right into what looks like a feeder or maybe a crusher. It's a pretty cool operation to watch. You can see different truck models. They're all numbered up, moving in and out, getting the job done. Mining is a big deal, and these machines are essential.